At most websites we provide about 75 gardening tips. You can display these gardening tips on your website and edit them and use them as you see fit. I'm now going to explain to you how to do that.
If you want to change the garden tips, go to main menu and select garden tips. A list like this will be shown. There are a couple of things you need to know. Let's say you're not selling anything related to the pond. In that case you want to remove the garden tip to avoid confusion from your customers. In that case, just select the bin and delete the garden tip. Now be aware, if you delete something, it will be gone forever and there's no way to put it back. If you're not sure if you want to keep it on your website, click on the second icon, which is Edit. And if you edit the garden tip, you can scroll down and deactivate it. Now, of course, you can change the title, the text itself, and the images. If you upload a new picture, make sure to select Delete before you do so. This will overrule the existing image. If you're going to change the garden tips, make sure to add some of your own brands and mention specific products you're selling. That will make it more personal. All the garden tips are written in a way that no brands are being mentioned, so this should be applicable more or less to every garden center. If we go back to the list of garden tips, there's one more thing I want to explain. Because sometimes on top of the garden tips a short text is being shown. If you want to change that text, click on the yellow link. Click here to change the content on the start of the garden tips. If you do that, this page will be shown. Over here you can add the text, images and links to other pages if you want to. This is basically the introduction of the garden tips.
We often check Google Analytics, and garden centers that use our gardening tips often make them in the top 10 of the most visited pages. So don't underestimate this content. In the next video, I'm going to explain why photo books are a little bit old-fashioned, but very useful.